Hi everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to professionally mat your artwork so it's ready to frame and hang. Let's get started. Step number 1, choose your mat. First, choose a mat color you want to use. Think about what will complement the artwork best. Neutral colors are safe, but sometimes a bold choice can really elevate your piece. Step number 2, choose your artwork. Now, select the artwork you'll be matting. Make sure it's completely finished and trimmed to the size you want. Step number 3, flip the mat over. Turn your mat board over to the back side. All measuring and cutting will happen on the back so the front stays clean and professional. Step number 4, measure the mat size. Measure the full size of your mat board. This helps you plan the window opening correctly. Decide how wide you would like your frame. Some artwork looks better with a wider frame, some artwork looks better with a thinner frame. Here you can see that I am measuring my frame 1.5 inches on all sides. I like to make guideline marks for my measurements so I know exactly where to cut. Step number 5, cut the mat down to size. Using a paper cutter, cut the mat down to size and save the extra pieces. You will need them later for more matting. Step number 6, measure your frame. Next, measure the inside dimensions of your frame. The mat must fit inside the frame perfectly, so double check these measurements. Step number 7, plan your opening. Flip your mat to the back side again. Now, measure and mark the opening size. Your opening should be slightly smaller than your artwork, about 1/4 inch on all sides, so the artwork doesn't fall through. Draw your guidelines carefully using a ruler and a pencil. Step number 8, set up for cutting. Here you will see that I am using a mat cutter. The mat cutter comes with a cutting board and a ruler. I am adjusting my ruler to 1.5 inches since this is the measurements that I used for the opening of the frame. Place a cutting board underneath your mat to protect your table. This also protects the mat cutting board. Insert a sharp blade into the mat cutter. This is what cuts the window out of the frame and creates that beveled edge. Ensure that your blade is nice and sharp. It will make it so much easier to cut through the mat. As you can see, the way this works is that the blade is used by pressing down on the top of the mat cutter. Because mats are expensive, I like to double check my measurements and make sure that I have everything correct before making my cuts. So remember, I have my guideline marks. I need to adjust my ruler to 1.5 inches and just double check that it hits that mark. Before I cut, I like to draw the lines in with a pencil to make sure that my artwork fits in within that window. Okay, let's see if it fits. And the goal here is that your artwork overlaps those lines, making sure that the frame is not going to cover the artwork too much. And as you can see, only about 1/4 inch is overlapping. Step number 9, cut the opening. Align your blade with your guideline. Press firmly and cut along the first side. So remember, we have to press down in order for the blade to cut. Make sure that the mat cutting blade is right up against that ruler so that it easily glides down. Start the blade and stop the blade right after you cross the guideline marks. Make sure that you cut all the way through This is why it's important to have a sharp blade. Repeat for all 4 sides. Now, as you can see, I have this little guideline mark, tells me where to start with the blade and where to stop with the blade. And it's very important not to go all the way down to the bottom of the mat. Take your time. Clean, steady cuts make a huge difference. And make sure that you cut all the way down to those corners. Step number 10, pop out the center. Once all 4 sides are cut, gently pop out the center window piece. Save that middle piece for another frame later down the line. Step number 11, check the fit. Flip the mat board over and place it on top of your artwork. Make sure everything fits perfectly and that your artwork is centered. Adjust if needed before moving on. Step number 12, secure the artwork. Place the frame over the matted artwork to double check the sizing. Flip everything over carefully and use tape on the back to secure the artwork into place. As you see here, I'm using painter's tape. That way we can take the artwork off the frames at the end of our art show. We try to save and reuse frames every year to save money and time. And we also keep all our scraps to the mat boards, just in case we need it for a work of art. And the final step is step number 13, label and finish. Add your label to the artwork. We include the student's name, grade, medium, and title of artwork. And that's it. Your artwork is professionally matted and ready to hang. Let's do it again for more practice. Choose your mat and choose your artwork. Flip the mat over and measure the mat size. And then cut the mat down to size. Then measure your frame and plan your opening using guideline marks. Then check to make sure that you did that correctly by creating lines with the mat cutter ruler. And then make sure the artwork fits, with the frame overlapping the artwork. Next, we're going to set up for cutting. Cut the opening by pressing and gliding the cutter down, making sure to stop and finish at your guideline marks. Double check that you are cutting all the way through. Ensure those corners are cut. Then pop out the center and save the scraps. Next, let's check the fit. Perfect. Secure the artwork with some tape, and then label and finish. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. We hope this video helped you. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.